Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable sticker effects on Telegram Web using your PC. If you've noticed your stickers looking a bit flat lately, this new update brings them to life with fun animations, and turning it on only takes a few clicks. First, go ahead and open Telegram Web in your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once you're logged into your account and your chats are visible, you're ready to begin. Now, look over to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open the main menu. From here, scroll down until you find the Settings option and click on it. This will take you into Telegram's Settings panel, where you can customize different features of your account. Inside Settings, look for a section called Animations and Performance. Go ahead and click into that. This is where Telegram lets you control how smooth and dynamic your experience feels. Once you're in, find the area labeled Stickers and Emoji. Here's where the magic happens. You should see an option called Sticker Effects. Simply toggle this option on.